Simple. Penne pasta with baked citrus chicken. Enjoy, everyone. So before we even bake the chicken, let's marinate the chicken. Okay, I'm adding suka. All right, vinegar. Guys, just look at the recipe that I will be posting along with the cooking video, okay? More suka. Okay, just massage the chicken breast. Everybody, I'm using lean chicken breast without the skin and the bones. All right. Okay, let's juice 2 lemons. Let's add the lemon juice into 2 pounds of chicken breast. I mean, not 2 pounds, 6 pounds. 1 tablespoon of ground pepper. Let's add white sugar. And then let's add salt. And let's combine them all together. Make sure that every piece of your chicken breast is coated with the rest of the ingredients. We're just going to massage it and we will marinate it for about 20-30 minutes. All right, so we will continue to do this. After about 30 minutes of marinating the chicken breast, I am putting it in a baking pan lined with aluminum foil. And then I will sprinkle it with dried oregano. Okay, I think we're ready. I'm going to bake this. So I baked it at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Guys, if you are using small pieces of chicken breast, 30 minutes is good enough. Just like this one, alright? Most of the time, the chicken breast, kasi wala siyang taba, wala siyang skin, it tends to get dry. So the water that it accumulated, you know, you want to just turn it over like that. And as you can see, some of the chicken breasts are not quite cooked yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn it over. Alright, and I will choose the one that's totally cooked, and I will retain the other pieces na kailangan pa ng konting baking. Alright, so ito yung mga natira. Ito yung natira, guys. Look at this. Medyo hilaw-hilaw pa yung loob. We will continue to bake it for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, tinanggal ko yung iba, naluto na, because you don't want to dry it up. Okay, let's zest lemons. Alright, just make sure you do not zest the white part kasi mapait po yun. Alright. Alright, I'm making a big batch of pasta and chicken dish. That's why marami po itong lemon zest na ginawa ko. To the lemon zest, we will be adding olive oil. Alright, a good quality of olive oil, about 3 cups. Like what I said, malaking batch po ng pasta, chicken pasta dish ang ginagawa ko. So I'm making a big batch of dressing. Adding salt, adding ground pepper, then let's slowly add more lemon juice to it. Just go easy. I want you to taste it as you go, guys. Huwag niyong gawing masyadong maasim yung inyong dressing. Then slowly add grated Parmesan cheese. Just go slow, everybody. Just don't dump it all at the same time and continue whisking it. Taste it as you go. Kung tama na po sa inyo yung asim, yung alat factor, dapat lemony and salty from the cheese and a tiny bit of salt. Okay, this is 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese that I am whisking into the dressing. And finally, add it all. You can also add a tiny bit of dried oregano into your dressing. Meanwhile, using my 13.5 Heritage Steel Cookware Deep Wok, let's make or boil our penne pasta. Okay, idagdag na natin yung ating mga baked chicken. Remember, I baked the other pieces for 5 minutes longer dahil hindi pa siya luto. Okay, so ito na yung ating baked citrus chicken. 375 degrees, between 30 to 40 minutes. Simple penne pasta with baked citrus chicken. Okay everyone, thank you for watching the cooking video. I hope that you continue to share my cooking videos and also appreciate all those people who always press the like and giving me positive comments. Shout out to all my new friends at Chef Ron Bilaro YouTube channel, to all my Instagram friends, and of course to all my Facebook page followers and fans under Chef Ron Bilaro. Alright, until the next dish, si Ron Bilaro po. All my love to you guys. Bye!